back out, as I say, on the road again today. We're not going as far. It's only about an hour and a half, 2 hours or so nearly to our destination today. We're over at Cannock Chase, which is kind of between Stafford and Birmingham, if you know your geography. Weather is looking kind of mixed, and the forecast is kind of been mixed. We've got some kind of heavy dark clouds on one side, a little bit over there we've got some blue sky, so really don't know what's going to happen necessarily. So it's a little update, a bit further down the road. I'm only 10 minutes away now, so I'm starting to get onto like little back roads, because where we're going today it's fairly rural. I should imagine going into a forest, but yeah, certainly we're getting into the back roads now, so we're getting a lot closer anyway as well. The weather is started to turn a little bit from how it was before. It was just kind of dull and cloudy with a little breaks of blue sky, but now that's started to disappear. I'm not gonna say it is raining a little bit, but it's quite light, in fairness, that I think if we're out, if we have a little bit of cover under the trees, we probably won't notice it. And certainly it's not going to kind of take the shine off the day. The one thing it does though do now, with having much more cloud cover, is it just flattens the light out. So in terms of being able to kind of bring out more shape and more detail and texture, especially when kind of shooting in woodlands, it becomes a little bit harder. It's not impossible, but you know, it's just a case certainly of keeping an eye out for any little pools of light when we're in the forests. Okay, so literally a moment or two away. Probably would have been there by now had my phone decided not to disconnect from the screen. And in that momentary gap whilst I was trying to reconnect, I missed a turning, so I had to kind of spin around. So what I'll do, I'm going to unload. I'm going to pop the camera back onto my shoulder again. I said I've got a stabilizer as well. I'm going to need it in this car. And yeah, you come and enjoy the day, and we'll see how it goes. I hope you enjoy it. So that's us all done. We have had an absolute fantastic time. So much great photography, but just really, really nice people, really lovely people, just so talkative. I say I've met a couple of them before, one previously. I've not met Carol before, but absolute hoot. Been so much fun in respects to just chatting photography, chatting about life, but it's just nice to kind of meet all these people that we speak to online every day, seeing the photography, and now I actually get a better understanding as to kind of how they shoot, what they're interested in, you know, how they want to learn photography, how they want to kind of better themselves, etc. So it just gives me so many ideas as to how we can kind of improve our training, you know, the different services and products that we can bring on board to make that easier and more convenient for our students. So I always think these photo walks are an absolutely great thing to do. But yeah, again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this little video. Just give you a bit of a behind the scenes as to kind of what to expect from an iPhotography photo walk or a workshop if you've never done one before. Hopefully it gives you a little bit of an idea, say what to expect. And if you're interested in coming along, I'll drop a link with this video so you can have a look at the next available dates, and hopefully I will see you soon. Bye for now.